around, he said to me, well, you know, Mom, a lot of people are holding themselves back because they're so worried about what the small community that they see and know around them. They're so concerned with what their smaller community, the opinions and the judgments of those people, that they really hold back their bigger greatness because they don't have a vision for the fact like that there's a bigger, broader community out there. And I'm like, boy, you really is my child. I thought that was so beautiful, though, that my 21-year-old has observed and witnessed that, verbalized that to me today. And I was like, I'm going to take this to my class tonight and share that with them, because whether it rings true to you or to somebody who you know, I just hope that this little pre-asana talk leaves you with seeds of connection, seeds of the long road, the long highway, the forest that is set to bloom within and around you. And then as well as like the fact that all of us are really connected to something much bigger than than what we see around us. And then maybe even to say that if the people who you see around you influence you to shrink, right, when you're not meant to shrink, especially how can you become a big old oak tree if you're confined? So then maybe it would also encourage you to say, let me expand out so that I can find myself in the presence of the people who I'm already connected to, who are a part of that bigger picture and purpose that is for all of us. Yeah? Yeah? Okay.